Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing of the CannonKeys Obliterated75. So this is the box that it comes in. I think the customers might have opened it a little to check or whatever. I have no idea, but okay, so it comes in a plain black box. Alright, so why did I get this keyboard? First of all, it was in stock, and also it's a top mount board. Not top mount board, it's a burger mount board. And it's kind of rare these days, you know, everything is gasket mounted, you know, the new Portico and all these budget boards are all kind of going towards gasket mount. So is the GMMK Pro as well, that's also gasket mount. So, you know, I kind of want a burger mount board. I have a Satisfaction 75 coming. This is just to tide me over, and yeah. Okay, so I got the lilac and grey version. So yeah, this is just to cover my information, my shipping information. So alright. Okay, it comes with this really nice case. Okay. So the Canon graphic design over here in the box, and they have a carrying case. It comes standard with all Obliterated75. Oh, and this is the special edition. So yeah, it has two tones instead of like the single color that is supposed to come out later this year. Oh wait, next year. Alright. So yeah, that's the really nice Canon graphic. So this is from the Brutalist line of keyboards from CannonKeys. This is supposed to be more mid-range compared to like the Satisfaction 75 and the other one, what's it called? I forgot. But yeah, this is the more affordable one. And here you have, I think, color matching zippers. It should be color matching because I know I got the lilac version. So here it is. Oh wait, yeah, so yeah, it's a nice carrying case. Anyways, let's get into the box. Alright. Oh no, I will blur that out. That's my, okay, so this is my switch films that I purchased to go along with it. I'm gonna put Mauve switches inside. JWK Mauves. Yeah, some fur. And this is the board. Really nice microfiber cloth. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, it's more heavy than I was expecting, considering it's all aluminum. Alright, so here it is. Ooh, it's really nice. Canon logo at the back. The anodization is pretty good. If you can see for yourself. Okay, so let's have a look at other things. So it comes with an FR4 plate. As of now, the files are not released, so I cannot cut my own plate, or so yeah, that's gonna have to wait. And of course the PCB. With my knife. Here's the PCB. Okay, so yeah, I selected the 7U layout for this, and here are the O-rings for the burger mount and the Allen key, a nice CannonKeys logo, a CannonKeys sticker, and the feet. Okay, so this board is not hot swappable. You have to solder it yourself, which is part of the fun, really. So a USB-C port. Alright, so let's go back to the board again. Alright, so you have your escape over here with the F13 or whatever key you want. This layout is the 75% without the exploded arrow keys, which is something you will see on something like the Satisfaction 75. I like this one as well, because you know, with the exploded arrow keys, there is a thicker bezel here compared to over here, which is not really that symmetrical. This one is very symmetrical, and you can still, and it's not as compact as something like the KBD75, where everything is just like squashed together, and it's a bit busy. This one is a nice balance between, you know, the aesthetic and how small it gets. So the only thing you have is this blocker over here for your arrow keys and your spacebar, that row. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe if you like this kind of video. I'm gonna be doing more keyboard stuff in the future, and also I'll be showing you the review of this keyboard with Mauve switches after I build it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like the video if you like it, help share it. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.